The EV war isn't about soldiers. It's a battle of batteries, software, and engineering. For years, car giants have raced to build the electric vehicle that will define the future. The winner could shape how we drive for the next century. The losers risk fading into history. This rivalry has fueled rapid innovation, with billions poured into R&D worldwide. Everyone's chasing the holy grail. Range, performance, and affordability that finally convinces the masses to go electric. But this isn't just a car enthusiast game. The outcome will reshape our cities, environment, and daily lives. The big questions: how far can an EV go? How fast can it charge? How much will it cost? These answers are the weapons in this corporate war. Legacy automakers like Ford and GM are challenging Tesla's early lead, all vying for dominance in a world moving beyond gasoline. The battlefield is confusing. Different plugs, wild performance claims, and endless hype. Many consumers are waiting for a clear winner, a standard that makes EVs as easy to choose as gas cars. The company that solves range, charging, and cost will set the new industry standard. That's the real prize. Not just market share, but the power to define the future of mobility. Elon Musk didn't invent the electric car, but he made it cool. Before Tesla, EVs were quirky, low-range oddities, practical but uninspiring. Musk saw a future where electric cars were faster, safer, and more exciting than anything on the road. The Tesla Roadster proved EVs could be objects of desire, not just eco-friendly alternatives. This bold move forced legacy automakers to wake up and take notice. Musk's mission: accelerate the world's shift to sustainable energy, not just sell cars. Tesla built more than vehicles. It created an ecosystem: superchargers, energy storage, and constant software upgrades. The Model S, 3, and Y set new benchmarks for range, charging, and tech. Musk understood the car of the future is a computer on wheels. Tesla's relentless innovation and in-house production gave it a massive head start. Now, as the EV war peaks, Musk is unveiling a technology that could change everything. He's not just building cars, he's rewriting the rules of the industry. And the next chapter starts with a radical new motor. On a stage in Austin, Elon Musk revealed Tesla's latest breakthrough. Not a car, but a new kind of electric motor, the Helical Flux. Musk claimed it would make all previous motors obsolete, backed by data and schematics. This was the result of a decade of secret research, aiming to solve the core trade-offs in motor performance, efficiency, and cost. The Helical Flux motor ditches traditional copper windings for solid, helically shaped conductors. These are forged from a proprietary copper graphene composite, stronger, lighter, and a better conductor than pure copper. Electricity flows with less resistance, meaning less wasted heat and more power. The helical shape creates a focused, powerful magnetic field, boosting efficiency. Musk claimed the motor is 30% more efficient, 50% lighter, and 40% cheaper to make than the best current motors. He held up a sleek cylinder, no bigger than a thermos, that could outperform motors twice its size. The announcement sent shockwaves through the industry. If even half the claims are true, Tesla just gained a massive edge in the EV war. The game had changed overnight. Why is the Helical Flux motor so revolutionary? It's all about efficiency. Traditional motors use thousands of copper wire windings, complex, wasteful, and hot. The Helical Flux motor replaces this with a few solid, perfectly shaped conductors. Imagine swapping a tangled ball of yarn for a smooth spring. Electricity flows cleaner with less resistance. Less resistance means less heat, so nearly all battery power goes into motion. That's the source of the 30% efficiency boost. More efficient motors mean longer range or smaller, cheaper batteries for the same distance. Manufacturing is simpler and faster, no more painstaking wire winding. The motor is lighter and needs no bulky liquid cooling. Passive cooling is enough. This cuts weight and complexity, making the whole car lighter and more efficient. It's a virtuous cycle: lighter motor, lighter car, less energy needed. The result? Cheaper, better, and more accessible electric vehicles. The Helical Flux motor isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. It changes what's possible for EVs. Compared to the motors used by Ford, Volkswagen, and others, the Helical Flux motor is a game changer. Most competitors use permanent magnet motors, which rely on rare earth metals, expensive, environmentally damaging, and geopolitically risky. The Helical Flux motor eliminates the need for rare earth magnets using common materials like copper and graphene. This shields Tesla from supply shocks and ethical dilemmas. Competitors face rising costs and unstable supply chains. Tesla sidesteps these issues entirely. Traditional motors also generate lots of heat, requiring heavy, complex cooling systems. The Helical Flux motor's passive cooling is lighter, simpler, and more reliable. This means more consistent performance, even under stress. The old guard's motors are powerful but brute force, expensive materials and heavy support systems. The Helical Flux motor is elegant, superior performance through smarter design. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a leap in physics and materials science. Think of it as redesigning the car to be lighter and more aerodynamic, not just adding a bigger engine. The difference is evolution, not just a patch. Tesla's new motor could force the industry to rethink everything. The EV war just got a new frontrunner. The Helical Flux motor isn't just another move, it's potential checkmate. It solves the three biggest EV hurdles: range, cost, and charging. More efficiency means longer range. Imagine a Model 3 going from 350 to 450 miles per charge. Range anxiety? Gone. The motor is 40% cheaper and smaller batteries can deliver the same range, making Teslas potentially cheaper than gas cars. When EVs are the affordable choice, the switch becomes irresistible. Efficiency also means faster charging. Every minute at a supercharger adds more miles. Longer range, lower cost, faster charging, a trifecta competitors can't easily match. The Helical Flux motor could make rivals' investments obsolete overnight. Tesla could become the industry's core technology supplier, like Intel for PCs. This is the ultimate victory in the EV war. The impact of this technology goes far beyond the car industry. For families, it means longer road trips, less time charging, and more money saved. City dwellers benefit from lighter, quieter cars that reduce road wear and noise pollution. Cheaper EVs could accelerate adoption by ride-sharing and delivery services, cleaning up urban air. Imagine New York or London filled with quiet, emission-free vehicles. For small businesses, efficient electric trucks become practical. Less range loss when hauling, lower costs, and even mobile power for tools. The Helical Flux motor democratizes electric mobility. Affordable, long-range EVs under $25,000 become possible, bringing clean driving to millions. Instant torque, quiet rides, and freedom from gas stations become the norm. This is a step toward a more equitable, sustainable transportation system. Clean energy isn't a luxury, it's the new standard. The ripple effects will transform cities, economies, and lives. The future of driving is about to change for everyone. The Helical Flux motor's promise is huge, but challenges remain. Scaling up production is a massive hurdle. Building millions of motors requires new factories and flawless execution. Any delays could give rivals time to catch up or innovate. Will Musk keep the technology exclusive or license it to accelerate global adoption? That decision could reshape the auto industry for decades. Skeptics and competitors will scrutinize Tesla's claims and push their own tech. New materials like graphene could create fresh supply chain risks. Navigating these industrial and political challenges will be as tough as the engineering. Still, if Tesla succeeds, we're on the brink of an automotive revolution. The car is evolving. Less about mechanics, more about integrated systems. The end of the EV war may not be surrender, but a moment when one technology leads us all into a cleaner, smarter future.